Hi, welcome to Random Dad Stuff. Today we're going to learn how to make a bed. This is a very exciting episode. I'm very excited about this, and you should be too, because making a bed is a wonderful thing to do. And I'm going to show you how. Here we go. Random Dad Stuff. So first thing we need is a bed that needs to be made. And I think we've got one right here. So let's get our fitted sheet first, and make sure we get the corners on. Oh, actually, you know what? Before we even do that, you ever have that time in the middle of the night where the littlest kid comes and gets in the bed, and then you wake up in the morning and there's pee on the bed and it's not yours? Well, we need to avoid that somehow. Maybe we should put down some trash bags so we don't get the mattress wet. Let's do that. Maybe a couple more. A few more. Alright, I think we've got ample coverage there. Now we can put on the sheet. Find the shortest side, and that's going to be the bottom of the bed. Or the top of the bed, whichever. I like to start with the bottom. The important thing to do here is make sure you get the corners all the way down and tucked in so they don't pop off in the middle of the night, which can be very frustrating. Top corners over here too. And over here. Make sure it's all pulled nice and tight and tucked in. Got a smooth surface. There we go, part one complete. We got our top sheet now, and there is a direction to this. There is a top and a bottom, and a head and a foot. The difference between the head of the sheet and the foot of the sheet, you notice the head has a much larger hem here, and the foot has a very small hem. For some reason we like the big hem up by our heads. I don't know. Okay, now important thing to do here is make sure you get a nice straight line across here with the sheet. And if we look here, that's a pretty level line. I'm not going to go so far as to get out my level and make sure we can just kind of eyeball it. We'll get at that. Okay, so now we're going to get our bedspread or blanket or whatever. It's not quite a duvet. Duvets have to be puffy, I guess. There's a certain amount of puffiness that duvets are required to have in order to be called a duvet. Okay, we've got that one all nice and neat. So next we need to get our pillows. Okay, so now our pillowcases. Lay our pillowcase out like this. Put the tag in first. Start with the right side, then left side. Now, I have a 3-shake limit. If the pillow doesn't go in on 3 shakes, throw the pillow away. It's no good. 1, 2, get in! 3. Whew, that was close. Alright, do the same thing with this other pillow. Tag in first. Right side, left side. Get it started. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Today was a good day. We didn't have to throw away any pillows. So now I think we're ready to go. Oh, but one important thing we didn't talk about is the topography or topology of the bed. Now, most people would think, I have a side, she has a side. Not true. It's more like, she has 3/4 of the bed and I have a 1/4. And if a kid comes in the bed in the middle of the night, they take up my 1/4. So I actually have less than a 1/4. But I think it's going to be a little cold tonight. It's going to get down below 76 degrees. So we're going to have to add a couple more blankets on her 3/4. Hold on.
I just want to say it, child.
Put this nice heavy one here. Fold it in half. And then we're practically
I just want to say it, child.
And another. Good. Actually, it's gonna get down to like 75 tonight. It's gonna be cold. Better grab some more.
You should go to sleep. child, so what's so wrong with that? To be young.
I think we're gonna be good for at least 74 degrees.
Tell me, is that
Or is it
so
at most 74
bad?
degrees?
I just
Most
wanna
74.
say
If it gets colder than 74, we're gonna need more blankets. Now, when you've got this many blankets, how do you get into bed?
just wanna say it, child.
We'll just try jumping. Here we go.
I just wanna say it, child.
Well, that's one way to do it. It's getting pretty hot in here already. But be sure to like the video, be sure to subscribe, be sure to make your bed properly each day, and see you next time. Good night.